Which tea truly transforms your health, Pu Erh or green tea? Today we'll compare origins, fermentation, antioxidants, weight loss research, gut microbiome effects, caffeine, and brewing tips to help you choose wisely. Pu Erh originates from Yunnan, China, and undergoes unique microbial fermentation that creates earthy flavors and compounds absent in unfermented teas. Green tea is minimally processed, preserving high levels of catechins like EGCG that are linked to antioxidant and metabolic benefits in many studies. Antioxidant profiles differ. Green tea boasts catechins combating free radicals, whereas Pu Erh offers fermentation-derived polyphenol and microbial metabolites with complementary effects. Research suggests green tea's EGCG supports fat oxidation and modest weight loss when paired with a balanced diet and regular activity. Pu Erh shows promise in animal and limited human studies for lipid regulation, lowering LDL cholesterol and supporting metabolic health over time. Both teas contain caffeine, with green tea often higher, so sensitivity, timing, and portion control matter for sleep and anxiety management. The fermentation in Pu Erh may nurture a distinct gut microbiome interaction, potentially aiding digestion and producing beneficial short-chain fatty acids. Green tea's bioactive compounds have been studied for cardiovascular protection, improved insulin sensitivity, and neuroprotective roles in observational and experimental research. Preparation affects benefits. Lower temperature, shorter steeping preserves catechins in green tea, while Pu Erh often benefits from longer steeping or multiple infusions to unlock depth of flavor. Quality and sourcing matter. Pesticide-free leaves and traditional processing reduce contaminants and maximize therapeutic phytochemicals in both teas. Pairing tea with whole foods and avoiding sugary additives amplifies health effects and keeps calorie counts low for metabolic goals. If you prioritize antioxidants and metabolism support, green tea may be your daily ally, whereas Pu Erh can be a ceremonial gut and lipid-focused complement. Ultimately, rotating between both teas harnesses diverse phytochemicals and microbial benefits while keeping your palate engaged and your routine sustainable. Scientific evidence varies in scale and quality, with green tea enjoying larger clinical trials and Pu Erh relying more on traditional knowledge and small studies that warrant cautious optimism. Side effects are rare but include caffeine-related jitteriness, interactions with medications, and iron absorption inhibition, especially when consumed with meals. For daily use, moderate intake of 2 to 3 cups balances benefits with minimal risk, while therapeutic goals may warrant guidance from healthcare professionals. Choose whole-leaf loose teas over extracts when possible to benefit from full phytochemical complexity and lower adulteration risk. Simple routines like morning green tea for alertness and an evening cup of aged Pu Erh for digestion can create a sustainable, synergistic tea habit. If you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more fascinating insights into health and ancient wellness traditions.